It seems that there's no shortage of good online business ideas. The truth is, the internet has made it easy to create a business. With just a website, you can reach anyone in any location in the world, target the right people with the right offerings, and you would be making your own money in no time. Other benefits of running an online business include cost savings, increased flexibility, and less paper waste. So, if you're quietly contemplating the idea of starting something of your own, here's a list of the best small online business ideas that are within reach of almost anyone who's willing to take the plunge. From social media manager to public speaking coach to interior design consultant, the options are endless. Number 1. Open an online t-shirt shop. Platforms like Printful and Shopify have made it insanely simple to start an online t-shirt business for anyone with a speck of imagination and an eye for design. But it doesn't need to be an online t-shirt shop. You can set up an e-commerce shop selling anything. The key here is to learn about print on demand, which forms the base for such businesses. Number 2. Dropshipping businesses. Dropshipping is the easiest option to start an e-commerce business without having to buy any products in advance. Use dropshipping apps to find thousands of products from suppliers to sell online, then sell to customers across the world while building and promoting your own brand, all without needing to invest in warehousing or manufacturing costs. You don't need to pay for inventory until it's sold to an actual customer. From online boutiques to jewelry stores to women's clothing stores to one-product stores, dropshipping works for most online store ideas. Check out our guide to starting a dropshipping business to learn more about this great opportunity. Number 3. Kickstarter Indiegogo Advisor. Grabbing the attention of curious browsers on the most popular crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo is a tough job. If you're inventive and know how to tap into human emotion, then this is a niche worth exploring. Many aspiring entrepreneurs look for personalized advice to carry their campaigns to the finish line. So try offering action-oriented ebooks or online courses targeted at this particular audience. Number 4. SEO Expert. One of the online world's hottest professions at the moment, this business is a goldmine for tech-savvy entrepreneurs. While everyone's slightly obsessed with getting their sites SEO optimized, not many people can actually wrap their heads around this topic. If you decide to go into this field, you can think about offering link building, content creation, e-commerce SEO optimization, and similar one-off packages. Number 5. Selling online courses. Derek Halpern has built a really strong personal brand. He's the founder of a software and business training company called Social Triggers and makes a lot of money teaching people how to sell what they know best. And what he knows best is how to sell. If you got some serious expertise, start making money out of it by selling online courses or simply teaching online. Number 6. Bug testing. Bug testing is a service that no software company can ignore. If you can build a platform to crowdsource expert skills and resources to tackle this area, then you have a solid chance of turning a profit. One of the most unique online business ideas, providing bug testing resources, can be a lucrative way to boost your income. To learn more about this model, look into bug finders and crowdsourced testing. Number 7. Video producer. YouTube is the second largest site in the world, so there's no surprise that videos are becoming one of the main communication mediums for businesses for all types of sizes. If you have video filming or editing knowledge, it won't take you long to build your clientele. Everything from video production workshops and video editing services to soundtrack libraries and DIY tutorials can appeal to the business world. Producing a video might be one of the most attractive online business ideas with lots of creativity and challenges. Number 8. Graphic designer. Graphic designers are always in demand from small businesses to large multinationals. Starting a graphic design business can allow you to tap into this great opportunity. Showcasing your experience with your vast portfolio can help you gain customers without aggressive outreach. Number 9. Website developer. In the same vein as graphic design, website development is in constant demand as businesses are always trying to upgrade and improve their websites to get more sales. This means that you can work on new and exciting websites concurrently and get to try new things all the time. If being constantly challenged is what you're looking for, website development could be the best online business for you. Number 10. App development. Apps are an amazing lucrative market, so it's not surprising that more people and more companies are investing in them. This means that there is a growing need for app developers to create their applications. Offering app development is a great opportunity as you can work on vastly different applications on a daily basis. So that's all from today's video. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video.